Hi everybody. Here's another tutorial. Here's another tutorial that is a continuation of how to install Tmodloader for idiots. So we're gonna show how to download mods for idiots. So we can download a lot of things from here. This is the easiest way to download things. It's very easy and it automatically loads your mod so you don't have to reload or just because you installed one single mod. It's mostly my favorite because I don't have to go search up Burium or Calamity. I can just go into the browser and just search up Calamity or what's the easiest way? The harder way is, well, let me show you. First, we're gonna look for the download. And we'll take that. Essentially, what we're gonna do is import the mod into our mods folder, which you can access by going into mods and accessing through the bottom buttons. Then now we have the two ways to install our mods. This wasn't that bad. This is really easy. Both of them are really easy, but one is harder.